Welcome to Listen to Mother, and I got a new review that I'm getting ready to do. This one has been sitting here for some time, and I do apologize, but this is Body Butter by Beauty. It is a box. She is a small business owner here in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. She gave me this box just kind of like because she did so well at the Black Label Market. I didn't get a chance to review it, but I have used some of the stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and review everything that comes in this box. Okay, first things first, she gives you a card that says Body Butter by Beauty. Thank you so much for your support of our small business. Please be so kind as to leave us a Google review. Yes, I love when they do that. All customers that show they have left a Google review will receive a 15% discount on their next purchase. And it also tells you everything that's in this box. So what I'm getting ready to show you is it has 1 pack of 6 soybean wax melts, a wax warmer, a wax warmer liner, 4 tea lights for burning wax, a 4-ounce whipped body butter, or is it 14 ounce? I might have read that wrong. It is it's 1 4-ounce, 1 8-ounce sugar scrub with scooping spoon and exfoliating gloves. So that's a lot that you get in this box right here. So this is the one night only whipped body butter. It has like a purplish color to it. And this is something that I didn't use yet, and it still has the that smells really good. She has the ingredients that are on here. So this has some mango butter in it. This is how it looks. And again, this is one night only. I want to say that this is like a date night box. Then we also have the sugar scrub, and it comes with a spoon. That is so freaking cute. Look at that. Here are the 4 tea candles, the exfoliating gloves, which, I might try these tonight. And then you also get some soybean wax melts as well. These are one night only as well. That's the scent is one night only. And then you also get the warmer, which I think is an amazing. So that is so cute. You get everything, especially if you're trying to set the mood. This is the package that you want to get. So her website is bodybutterbybeauty.com. So make sure, and I will absolutely link her information so that you guys can shop her. I love this cute little kit. I love when you can get everything in one space. And that's what she did for us. Oh, and there's also a liner in here. So that's cute, right? So everything that you want, prepare yourself for a date night with your hub, with your significant other, and get down and get to it. So I'm gonna go ahead and link her information below. Make sure you support. And if you have not already, make sure you subscribe to my channel.